That's go away.
Alright. I know you're gonna sneeze again. She tried to hold on, folks. Look at her. She tried to hold. Oh!
Seriously, I have a sneeze coming. Oh my god. See what I mean? I just can't stop sneezing. But yeah, that's what's happening, and that's kind of. I just can't stop sneezing. Oh my god. See? Like, I just can't stop sneezing. Like, at all. That was 4 times in a row in this one clip. Oh my god. But yeah. We went to bed like 3. That's 5 times. I don't know what's happening. It just always happens. Like, time to time. Alright. See you later. Okay guys, as soon as I turned off the camera, I sneezed 5 more times. So in total I sneezed like 10, and then just now I just sneezed 11 times. This is what's been happening. I'm fine. I think I'm just like, I don't know. I'm not getting sick, it always happens. I 13 times. Or 12, I don't remember. It sucks because it's making me dizzy. But yeah, I just want to get to why. We thought that I was allergic to my cat. But it's not that. Oh my god. Like the title of this being seriously can't stop sneezing. It was like 15 times now? 15 or 14? I really want to keep track. I need to go get some medicine because like this is not gonna stop.
This is not. This is not Kathy trying to. This is not. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze again. Don't judge. I'm not someone who gets sick. I do all the B complex. I do. Fuck. I do. One thing.
Please.
Oh fuck. I'm not. I gotta admit, I had a stomach flu. Can I get a
Thanks
tissue?
for telling us now.
Can I get a tissue? Can I just do that before the
Look
finish?
at Sam. Okay. God, oh, gee.
Thank you. That is a tissue. Oh, tell everyone something about sickness.
And
I want to say something. I want to say something.
I'm saying, will you just say, are you Tweed?
Are you Tweed?
You look familiar.
I want to say, but as me, I need to talk to the people. Tweed.
Ricardo. Ricardo, you.
I'm just laughing because I can't stop sneezing, but they said, are you... My own people are stupid. Fuck, he was not sick, I'm sick. I'm just saying, hey,
Is that Spanish?
Don't send me remedies, everybody. By the time this airs, I'm fine. But Tweed was like, hang on, I just got out of jail, so you can't judge me.
Gabashi. That's because you inhaled all that pepper.
Say horse shit.
might want to wash that napkin separately than all the rest.
Okay, I think it's done.
One more. Bless you.
Can I have a plate with, Brian, can I help me with that plate, this plate?
No, I can't.
Brian, I mean, your grandmother's an
Bless
old
you.
lady. She needs help.
You're not his grandmother.
Grandmother.
Oh.
I know what I am.
Kinukuha naman ba ako eh?
Ayan na, 9. No, active tayo. 10.
Sige.
11.
Oh, 13. Bakit yan yung puno? Ito ko po yun. Yan na, 40 na. 15. Paglabas ko dito talaga binabahinga ako. May amoy siguro na may allergy yung ilong ko kung ano yun. Hindi, may naaamoy ka na nag-ano. Basta may nasinipot ako. Naku, ano. Titignan kung ano. Makita nyo kali yung... Dapat din...
Bless you.
Ikaw. Binibidyo mo na naman ako araw-araw yung video mo. Marami na. Gagawan daw niya ako ng ano eh. Nung nabay ako. Iniipon niya. Baka mag-viral yan, ha?
Yeah. Free tissue. Sponsorship.
New Tempo Complete Care. My secret remedy during a cold.
Hindi mo ako gawin. Ada chichibu.